Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of making a frontal wig. As you can see, I outlined the frontal space beforehand so I know where to place the frontal after bleaching and dyeing. If you haven't watched part 1 of this process, I'll link it up top. This is why it's important to have an outline. You want to make sure the frontal is always in this loose M shape. This is how you know you put it on correctly. If you put the frontal flaps too far back, it will not fit your head. Make sure you pull the frontal at least an inch away from the cap line. Not sure if you caught the first stitch, but I usually put it through the frontal and bring the needle through the thread instead of tying a knot right then and there. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna show you guys me sewing the first side, and then I'm gonna continue on to the outline. Make sure your frontal is secured tightly so you don't have any lumps or bumps as you're sewing it down. Now that I'm done sewing, I'm gonna outline the wig cap to where I want the tracks to be. By the way, this is a 22-inch circumference canvas head. You're gonna make sure the track lines are about an inch apart, depending on how many bundles you're gonna use. For this wig, I plan on using 2.5, maybe 2. So this is why I'm drawing the lines this way. So this is the outline. The reason why I have the few last lines up top going straight across is to seal the wig and have it all the hair fall into one direction, one place. For the first 2 lines, I'll be using single tracks, just so it can have a flatter appearance around the circumference. I won't be sewing the tracks onto the frontal. Reason being is when the client needs maintenance in a few months, whether it's changing the frontal, it'll be easier to remove the frontal without having to deconstruct the whole wig. It just makes the process a lot easier and faster. When starting my tracks, I sew both ends twice, going through the tracks and going around the track in between. To move faster, do not thread your needles as long as I did. I don't know why I did it so long, but you can move faster if you thread it shorter. So I won't be showing the whole process. I'll be back when I'm done with the first bundle. So this is where the first bundle stopped, about almost halfway through. Now I'm gonna start the second bundle. Please excuse my ashiness. Oh, and another tip, I'll be doubling the tracks until I get to the third line up top, where I'll start single tracks. So this is where the second bundle ended. As you can see, that track up top there is single versus double. And then I'm gonna show you guys me adding the last track. So guys, this is the end of the video. I only used that one track from the third bundle. As you can see, I did not show any of the tracks on the frontal like I stated earlier in the video. And this is the finished look. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to look out for part 3 where I'll be coloring and styling this unit. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.